Okay, so let's talk about composite functions. When you do a composite of functions, that means there will be more than just the two variables. So you're going to have to identify the three variables and the two functions given. And then you want to find the common variable between the two functions. So, once again, this is number 64 on page 255. So we've got this volume equation that they've given us right here. The volume is 4/3. It's so hard to read. Let's use yellow. There we go. 4/3 pi r cubed. R is the radius, and that's it. And the V is the volume. If the radius r is increasing with time t in seconds, according to this next formula, they're asking us to then find the volume as a function of time t. So right now, your volume function is a function in terms of r, radius. We want volume in terms of t. That's what our end goal is. Okay. Now, r of t, this is just saying r of t. This is the same thing as just saying r is 2/3 t cubed. We are literally just going to plug that value in for r into this equation. So we have v of t equals 4/3 pi times 2/3, oops, probably should put the t cubed in there, to the third. And then just simplify. So we have 4/3 pi. 2/3 cubed would be 2 cubed is 8, 3 cubed is 27. T cubed to the third is t to the 9th. And then I'm going to multiply these through. So 4 times 8 is 32. 3 times 27 is 81. So we have 32 over 81 pi t to the 9th is equal to v of t. Easy as pie. All right, let's do like one more, and that will be it. So this problem, once again, we've got two different formulas. You got to pay attention to that. So we've got our price equation, price equation, and then we've got our cost equation. So the price P is in dollars for quantity X sold. So X just represents how many we've sold of whatever this commodity is. And then C is our cost. So we need to write C. I keep hitting the wrong thing. There we go. We want to find the cost as a function of price P. So what we want, it's always important to understand what we're looking for. We are looking for C of P. Now, here's the problem though. The common variable is X. We actually want one of these equations we want to solve for X in one of these equations. And in fact, we're going to want to solve for X in the equation where P is involved. So we've got the price P right here. We're going to solve for X instead. We don't want to solve for price. So we got P minus 200 equals negative 1/5 X. Multiply both sides by -5. You get -5 P plus 1000 equals X. Now that we've done that, we can just take this value and plug it in. So we get C is equal to the square root of -5P plus 1000 over 10 plus 400. And there it is.